Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm excited. This has been on my list for a long time. This is the Magical Dogs Tarot created by Mickie and Daniel Mueller. This is published by Llewellyn and it retails for $29.99. I will link in the description box everywhere I know where you can find it. I'm not affiliated, so those aren't affiliate links, and I'm not sponsored or paid for any of these. I just want you guys to be able to see what you can be potentially purchasing. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. It is published by Llewellyn. Like I said, it's 78 cards in a 216-page guidebook. Unleash the power of the arcane canines. Dogs bring a special kind of magic into our lives with their boundless joy and unwavering loyalty. This delightful Rider-Waite based deck and companion book enhance that magic, showcasing each canine's beauty, wisdom, and irresistible personality. Magical Dogs Tarot features a wide variety of domestic breeds navigating the universal challenges, relationships, and life lessons that reveal the answers to your biggest questions, transforming man's best friend into the tarot reader's perfect companion. So I'm excited because I am a dog mom and I have two precious babies. And so I love dogs. I do not discriminate against cats either. I had a cat for a long time, no longer with us in this realm, but dogs, they're always going to hold a special place in my heart. So let's get into it. It is a hinge. Oh, look at that moon. Cute. Okay, a ribbon. Oh, you're gonna hear me the whole time, I swear. Look at how cute. Okay. This might be a video where I'm just going to freak out the whole time. Okay, so we're going to see me struggle for a second to get the wrapping off of this. Trying to get everything set up in my new office area, and so of course a pair of scissors is not near me. Okay, before we get into the deck, let's take a look at the book here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is adorbs. Okay, so we have the introduction, major and minor meanings, and we have some spreads. All right. How the deck is organized. Okay, so there's a couple of different names for the major arcana, and it has a key there, so that's fantastic. The wands will be the fire pack, the cups the sea pack, the swords the sky pack, and the pentacles the earth pack. So dog packs, that's super cute. All right. Our dog leaders and special officers in their packs as well. The court cards are called Puppy, Guardian, Alpha, Female, and Alpha, Male. All right. So I think we got the gist of how this is going to be. And then, all right, so we do have some spreads in the back here. Paw print spread. Oh my God. Guardian spread. The hunt spread. And then appendix. Okay. All right. Let's look at them. I'm so excited. So they are about the same size and feel as any of the other Llewellyn decks I've reviewed. So I'm excited about that. The back of this is adorable. And here we go. I think I'm going to knock you guys down a little bit here so you can see a little bit closer. All right. Oh my goodness. Okay. Ugh, I can't. They're so cute. The illustrations are fantastic. They're kind of like, it's almost like colored pencils. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. going to try to keep my gushing to a minimum, but I cannot promise you anything because this is just too adorable. Oh, really? Oh my gosh. Do you see the little kitty cat? I think it's a kitty cat. I'm pretty sure it's a kitty cat. Oh my gosh. I love the different seasons in the background. So this is fantastic so far. I feel like a beginner can definitely use their intuition really well with these cards so far. Oh, I love this. Anubis. Perfect. Oh, precious. That is a cool devil card. The dog star. Oh. It's very fitting. Okay. Adorable. Absolutely adorable. Okay, so Ace of Sky. These are definitely adorable. Oh. Well, that's sad looking. Oh my goodness. All right, now we've got the C pack. Oh. This looks like one of my dogs. And this looks like my other one. Oh, actually, this looks more like him. Oh. I cannot with the cuteness of this. This is absolutely adorable. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, happy baby. Okay, I'm sorry. I apologize. But this is adorable and I can't deal with how adorable it is. Oh my gosh. Okay, wands. I think if you were a dog lover, this is a must. If you're into tarot and you're looking at a dog, having a dog deck, this is definitely a great one so far. I think it's fantastic. So far, no complaints. I really feel like any level can use this. I'm excited to see the meanings in the guidebook. So what we'll do is after we're done going through the deck here, we will shuffle, we'll pull a card, oh my gosh, and we will see how it reads from the guidebook, and then you'll get a sense for what it will be like if you own the deck. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And Earth. I think this is our last one here. I've been so focused on the dogs that I don't even know where I am anymore. Oh my goodness, look at that face. I'm sorry. There are a lot of different breeds represented here, and I find that awesome. Oh. Cute. All right. Oh. The artwork is beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, let's see how it shuffles. I'm guaranteeing you it's going to be just fine. Yep. Okay, let's try it this way. Yep. No worries. So cute. All right, let's see if a card pops out. Oh, this one did. So we have 3 of Earth or 3 of Pentacles. So let's go ahead and find this in the book here. Move that a little closer so you can see it. All right. 3 of Earth. In the deep places of the earth, among dark shadows and flowing stones, 3 dogs have come upon a rock formation shaped by nature to resemble a howling wolf. The youngest of the 3, the apprentice of the group, accentuates its lines with pigments of woad and ochres of red. All right. And yellow dipped from bowls at his feet. The 2 older masters stand back to observe and offer guidance that comes with experience, and to admire the inspiration that comes with youth and the exploration of the new. In collaboration, the strengths of each may be applied to create a grander work than any could alone. Pause for thought. A team that works harmoniously together can accomplish the task even better than working all alone. You can gain from the experience of others, and working with someone who has less experience can infuse any undertaking with a fresh outlook. It's a win for everyone involved. It's a good idea to get another perspective and feedback as you go. When you work in harmony, it's fulfilling to watch your project come to life. And then it has some keywords here: teamwork, apprenticeship, common goal, constructive advice and experience, fresh perspective. So my thoughts on the guidebook, at least here, and you get the reversed message as well. It tells you about what's going on in the imagery, and then it gives you, food for thought basically, and then keywords. So it's enough information. Let's see what this is. Call of the Earth pack. Oh, so it gives you a little information about each suit or pack. Honestly, it's an adorable deck. It's absolutely adorable. I don't have any complaints. However, the only thing I will say is that it might be a little confusing for beginners just because some of the things are renamed. So some of the suits are renamed, and some of the names are obviously renamed. So it might get a little confusing. However, it might help you learn a little bit better that way as well. So, you get a little bit of a deeper understanding with that. All in all, I have no complaints. I did not purchase this at full retail price, so I'm ecstatic because I wasn't sure if I was going to enjoy it or not. But I will say, if you were a dog fan, a dog parent, and this calls to you, goodness sake, if this calls to you, I definitely suggest purchasing it. I have not had a Llewellyn deck that I dislike yet. So, you can't really go wrong if you enjoy the dog aesthetic and you're a dog person. I think it's adorable. If you know any dog parents that enjoy tarot as well, I think this is a fantastic gift. I don't necessarily think that this is something that someone would purchase themselves. So if you have that special someone in mind that would enjoy this, definitely think about purchasing it as a gift. It's definitely adorable. Shuffles just fine. I have no complaints. I really, really don't. It's really not hard for me to enjoy a deck and to like a deck. But there are some decks out there that I don't really use that much on my shelf because I didn't connect with them that well. This one, however, I think it would be great for spirit animal readings and that sort of thing, to really tap into the animal energies. I think that would be great too. So just food for thought. And yeah, let me know if you own this deck, if this is on your list. I'd be interested to know how you feel about it. So go ahead and let me know down in the comment section. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of the video as well. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.